Hey there, Zippo Lover here, and this is a video request from Zippo Chicker 15. So if you want, you can check out his videos. Put his name right here somewhere. And yeah, this is for him. He wanted to see a part 2 to my collection of Zippos. So here it is. First, the ones you already seen: the hatchet, the Venny. Sorry about that, but got the butane, and I got a new one here, but this one is actually a butane lighter that I took apart because I needed some other parts to it, so it didn't work anymore. This one, actually, my niece gave it to me. My niece gave it to me so I could get it fixed. So that's what I did. It needed wick, flint, and the felt. Put the camera down right here. When I say felt, I mean the felt pad and all the cotton in there. I put the cotton in it and the flint, but I don't have a felt pad, so that's what I'm missing. I took the wick from this lighter and cut it in half, put it in here, because I didn't have any extra wicks. So that's that. And here's the that lighter I took apart. And that's about it. Another day since I sent my Zippo. I sent it July 7th, so I'll make a video of it when it gets back. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Gold Cadillacs never lie on rap. Smoke killer herb till my lungs collapse. Lost $2 grand last night shooting crap.